GIF Nifty, the selling yesterday in a sense, has that really shaken the rhythm of the market? Has that broken the back of this mini rally what bulls had engineered from November's low? So let's take that conversation forward. Nooresh and Kunal, they both are ready. Nooresh, what would be the importance of yesterday's price action in the overall scheme of things?
So yesterday's price action, once it goes below the 24,200, 300 mark, we'll call it a case wherein we've topped out for the current rally, and then we again make a fresh dip and maybe try to form a higher bottom or retest the same bottoms. And the problem remains, the large cap recovery has not been strong. Even the Nifty 50 equal weight, if you look at it, has not performed well. It is only the fact that we've seen IT as well as say some of the banks end up at new all-time highs. But you have Reliance, which is still down from 1600 all the way down to 1240. That's a 20% plus cut for a stock which is the second largest weight in the index. So overall, the momentum is broken after yesterday's move. And on the upside and on the downside, 24,200, 300. If that breaks on a closing basis, then we get fresh momentum on the. So for now, we are right in the middle, so we wait it out.
How would you break down yesterday's price action?
Yeah, I think so. On the index front, of course, there was a very sharp selling across the board for both the indices as well as for many of the other sectors. But then I think on the other hand, it was just about, at a point when the markets were getting back into a trading range. So, what we've seen over the last few, weeks, 1 or 2 weeks specifically, is that the index is unable to surpass levels of 24,750, 800, which is acting as a major resistance or a hurdle. And on the downside, 24,200 remains to be a critical support. We bounced off from this level from, Friday's trading session. And what's also intriguing is that even after that 300, 350 point correction, for the Nifty and more than 500 points for the Bank Nifty, we've seen hardly 0.7% to 1.7% jump in the open interest for both the indices respectively. So that itself indicates that it's not as if that there was a huge pile-up of short positions which could probably concern the market trend at least over the near term. So looks like that the markets are just about drifting into the lower band of this trading range of 500 points on the index.
Okay, drifting lower.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.